In this video I'm going to show you the free features of TubeBuddy so that you can get more views, watch time and subscribers. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Hit subscribe and the bell so that you don't miss out. How do you think TubeBuddy is going to improve your life? Share below. If you haven't installed it yet, check out this video and click the link below for access. So you've installed the TubeBuddy extension onto your browser and now you're ready to get to work. Click the TubeBuddy button and scroll down to Video Topic Planner. We're going to walk through Video Topic Planner, tags, lists, and finally Keyword Explorer. With TubeBuddy Free, you can plan your topics. So anything you come up with, you can put a title and notes there and save and come back and edit and remove, etc. And this is a great way of keeping track of all the ideas you have for content. Now, what problem can you help your audience solve? Always keep that in mind. And from here, you can also tick the box on video completed so that you'll have a list of current completed ideas or just show all of them, whichever way you want. From here you can also launch the Keyword Explorer, but we're not going to do that just yet. We're going to head over to tag lists and I'll show you this feature as well. So you can create different lists, name them something like this one, TubeBuddy, and just add tags that you have been researching and exploring that you want to use for that coming video. And you can tick the boxes next to the tags, you can copy them to the clipboard or insert them into the current video. So this way you can keep track of your topics and the tags that you've explored related to the topics. Now we're going to head over to Keyword Explorer. This is my favorite feature. You can launch it from the window or from the menu, whichever way you want. And the first thing I want to show you is that you can also see what's trending in different markets, and maybe within your niche you could hook onto one of those trends and see if that could help you out to get more exposure on your video. So this is just a small tip that you can explore. Let's start researching keywords. The fun thing here is that you put a keyword in and TubeBuddy is going to give you a couple of suggestions as well as the score of this particular keyword. With the free version you have 3 suggestions. If you want the weighted score, you'll have to upgrade. So you get the unweighted score. You can also see the results of using this, of searching with this keyword on YouTube. You can see what you're up against. And there are several thousand views on these videos. The thumbnails look really professional. You can see that they come from some very big channels. So there is quite a bit of competition on this particular keyword. Historically, there isn't much to follow. So this is poor for you and you should try something else. You should be looking for keywords that are very good or excellent, even though they're unweighted. So if you're lucky, you find the excellent ones and just grab them, go ahead and use them in your titles, descriptions and tags. You can see that the search volume is good, the competition though unweighted is good as well. So and then you might not get any suggestions from TubeBuddy, but you can move words around. Sometimes they make a huge difference in the particular order that they come. This one is still excellent, so that's definitely one that I would use. This one is very low. You can just play around with the wording. Try to find the ones that have the highest possible score. You get up to 25 searches a day with the free TubeBuddy version. Once you reach 25, this is the window that pops up, prompting you to upgrade. If you just move this window up, you can actually add a keyword to one of your lists or to your topic planner by pressing the action button. You can copy to clipboard as well. Add to topic planner or add to any of your tags list. So this is a very helpful tool. Once you reach 25, you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck with your free TubeBuddy version. Get more subscribers, views and watch time. I'll see you in the next one.